Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing the Bratz challenge, and I have my hair done already because I want to do my makeup like Jade, I think is her name. So I'm gonna guide you guys step by step on how to recreate this look. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope I can nail this. I'm not gonna talk anymore right now. I'm gonna get started on the makeup. I do have my brows done, so I'm gonna put a little tutorial on how I do my brows after this, and well, let's see how well the Jade look comes out on me. I'm going to use my Morphe shading pencil in the color Mocha, and I'm going to shade in my brows. This pencil is super creamy and I really like it for shading in the brows. It makes them look defined and natural as well. Next, I'm going to conceal my eyelids with my Maybelline concealer. I'm patting it down just to blend it out on my lid. And I use this as an eye primer. Unfortunately, my footage of me doing my eyeshadow didn't get saved, but I did use the Caballero shade from the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 2. It's a matte black, and right now I am doing a cut crease using my Maybelline concealer, and I'm just really trying to define the inner eye so that I can apply a soft pink and make my eye stand out more and match the color that Jade used. The Jade is a Bratz doll, but I'm trying to match. Here I'm going to use my Tarte Cosmetics hidden liner or something like that. I forgot the name of it, but I'm going to use this to line the inner corner so that the cut crease is divided from the eyeshadow. And this is, a picture of how the eye looks. Now I'm going to use my Tarte Cosmetics palette. This is Tarte Let in Bloom, and I'm going into the shade Sweetheart, and I'm applying it all over the lid to make it look soft pink. I'm using the Sex Kitten eyeliner once again, and I am just lining the top, not the top, but the lash line so that it looks a little bit more defined when I do apply my lashes. I am going to apply my mascara and my eyelashes off camera. I'm going to use Scarlet from Huda Beauty and my Tarte Cosmetics Man Eater mascara, so I'm going to do that off camera. Now I'm using the Morphe Equalizer primer before I apply my foundation, and this primer is supposed to blur pores and make your foundation look even more matte. Next, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty foundation. I'm just applying it all over my face. I do small parts first. I pour a little bit and then I build it up as I go, and I'm just using my sponge to pat it all around my face just so that it blends into my skin. Here I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder room Mad About It setting powder, and I'm just applying it on my face, and I'm going to let it sit before I brush it off with a brush. I let it sit. Now I'm just going to kind of brush it into my face so that I can have more of a matte look to my foundation. I'm using the Love shade from the Cheek palette from Tarte Cosmetics. It's a double duty. Now I'm going to use a Real Hair Hot Pink liner, and I'm going to outline my lips. I'm trying to outline them on my outer lip, so because Bratz have big lips, so I'm trying to make my lips look bigger by outlining it through the outside. And I did conceal all my lips so that the shape is a little bit more defined. I just have to conceal it a little bit because I did go out of the line, and I want to make it look more defined so that it looks like an actual Bratz lips. And now I'm using the Please Me lip shade from the MAC Cosmetics matte lipsticks. It's a really soft pink so that it looks like the one from the image that I showed you guys at the beginning. I'm using the Caballero shade once again to shade the under eyes so that it looks very smoky and dark, just like the image showed. And I'm just doing it, making it very defined. And now I'm going in with my Man Eater mascara from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. I'm trying to make them look as volumized as possible, but it's really impossible with my lashes, and they never look long. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I kind of messed up on my lips and I redid them off camera, but overall I think it's a bit similar, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, add me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and stay tuned for what I have in stock next. Bye!